Hi, I am Sachin and have recently joined Mahindra Finance as an executive. While I was on field with my colleague, understanding my role, I learnt about Mahindra Loan Suraksha. The customer mentioned that at the time of the loan he was provided with an insurance policy as well. While my colleague explained the same to me, I wanted some more clarity. Sir, I would be happy to answer all your questions and solve any doubts. I would want to understand the product, Mahindra Loan Suraksha, in detail so that I can answer any questions from the customer. The basic concept of Mahindra Loan Suraksha, or MLS as we call it, includes protecting the customer's family and their assets in case of unfortunate death of the customer by covering the outstanding finance amount. In this sense, this product removes burden of repayment on the customer's family. The insurance for this product is provided by Kotak Mahindra Life Insurance Company Limited. Oh, this product can be taken by anyone? What is the eligibility? So, any individual who is a loan customer of MMFSL is eligible for it. This is how the product was given to you. Also, the eligible customer should fall under the 18 to 64 years age range. This is only applicable for individuals and no other entity such as firm, trading company, school, institute, trust, etc. So like other products, there must be an age band for MLS. What is it? Also, is it the same for all types of loan? No sir, there are 7 age bands which differ in the band 1, 2 and 7. While the rest has similar age bands falling under band 3, 4, 5 and 6. There's also a cap on maximum sum insured depending on the age band. But why should a customer take this product? In what ways is it beneficial to me is something I want to know in detail. Pure death cover plan. That is only in case of death of the customer the claim can be processed. Premium payment options, annual and single premium. Minimum documentation to avail the policy. Hassle-free claim settlement process. MLS helps Mahindra Finance and the customer's family to secure the assets and funds. You said something about single and annual premium payment option. Can you please explain the same? Yes, there are currently 2 options, regular and single premium available. Okay, what is the procedure and parameters to calculate the MLS premium? There are 3 basic parameters to be followed. One should consider finance amount, age of the customer and tenure of cover. As soon as the customer belonging to a particular age band is locked, we then round off the finance amount to the next rupees 5,000 for personal and two-wheeler loan. In the case of auto or vehicle loan, for the finance amount up to rupees 1 lakh, we round off to the next rupees 5,000, but if the finance amount is above 1 lakh, we round off to rupees 10,000. Later the premium according to the premium paying option opted by the customer is calculated. I understood all the details, although, what documents are needed to get the process going for customers? age proof, school or college leaving certificate, PAN card, passport, driving license, birth certificate, election ID card, ration card, Aadhaar card, letter from Gram Panchayat or municipal authority on the letterhead stating age of the customer, declaration of good health form, DOGH, compulsory to be signed by the customer for every contract covered under MLS declaration confirmation under Mahindra Loan Zorak Shaw, MLS, scheme, attached to the DOGH form. Compulsory to be signed by the customer for every contract covered under MLS. Can you please explain what exactly is Declaration of Good Health form? It is a simple one-pager mandatory form where you will need to fill in some basic details related to insurance. Through this form, the customer confirms that he or she is in good health. What are the details that are captured? Starting with the customer loan number and cover amount. Along with that, the customer also has to fill in the details of the nominee. The customer will have to duly sign DOGH along with date and place. This will allow the customer to secure an MFSL loan with Kotak Life. I see. Later, the witness, policyholder has to sign in their respective area. If the customer fills in the detail in vernacular language, this directly implies the necessity of the scribe. Hence, the scribe will later have to fill in her respective details. Then there's only one section left, which is the declaration confirmation section. What does this section mean? It basically confirms for that the customer is appointing MIBL as an insurance broker for providing services under MLS scheme. Okay. As you said, this scheme applies for all the MMFSL customers. So what if I decide to share this scheme to my friend who also has taken a loan under MMFSL? What can be the simplest way to explain the product to him? For example, if your average loan amount is Rs 2 lakh for 3 years and your age is 32 years, then amount for MLS, then the premium per day will vary according to the regular or single premium chosen by the customer. Let me give you an example. Option: amount for MLS, premium per day, regular premium 474, 1.30, single premium 1184, 1.08. So see, you will only pay Rs 1.30 per day under regular premium option and approximately Rs 1 per day under single premium option to cover the risk and protect the loan amount. Now that I have understood the product, in case of a claim, what is the process? This is to ensure I have a full understanding of the product and process. In case of an unforeseen circumstance, the family member or the nominee is requested to intimate the MIBL or MMFSL executive sitting in the nearest branch. Post which one of our MIBL or MMFSL executive will intimate all MLS claims through an online claim intimation module with all the mandatory details. Our online module is very simple and user-friendly. Some of the features are ease of access, immediate claim intimation, employee can check coverage of cases covered under MLS, employees can track their claim intimation, refer to annexure for step-by-step guide. What are the forms required? How will I know which forms are needed? There are certain forms that need to be provided which will be explained to the customer's family when the executive visits the house. The forms will be different for natural or accidental demises. I will share with you a checklist of documents that will be needed as well. You mentioned the process is online. So how does the family member send the documents? You need not worry. Once the customer's family submits the documents to us as per the checklist, we check all the documents at the branch level. If the documents are complete, we can either courier the same to the head office, or now we have a faster process of uploading the documents on MF Own Cloud portal. There are quite a few documents to be submitted. What if the family or nominee forgets something? Does the claim get rejected? To ensure the documents are complete, we first check the documents at the branch level. In case of any pending documents, we immediately contact the customer's family. Once documentation is complete, then the same is uploaded on the portal. Our head office team also checks and lets us know in case additional details are required. So post the documentation, does the claim get settled? Once documents are checked, the head office team uploads the same in the insurance company portal. If there are no additional requirements, they will intimate the head office. For claims that are payable, the insurance company will forward NEFT details to MIBL. How will the family of the customer get this information? Once the head office forwards the NEFT details to the branch, we at the branch level will inform the family about the claim settlement. Do all claims get settled, or is there a chance of rejection? Due to a few reasons, the claim can get rejected. I will explain the reasons in brief. If a member commits suicide within 1 year of commencement of his or her cover, they will be disallowed. However, suicide is covered after 1 year. If the customer is suffering from any pre-existing disease at the time of taking MLS cover, and if it is proved from the documents submitted for claims processing or through investigation report, then the claim might be rejected by the insurance company. If it is observed that the documents submitted for processing of the claim are fake or false documents. Now I have understood this. A no objection certificate, NOC, for the vehicle is also handed over to the customer. For this, we coordinate with the MMFSL executive and the dealer who will be handing over this certificate to the customer. Thank you for the clarity. I have now understood the product. You're welcome. If you have any doubts, please call me.